Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna do a cousin plan with me. I have been meaning to do cousin videos. I just only have a handful on this channel. I did purchase my new one. I think I'm gonna show you guys what I got, but this is the kit we're using today. This is available in my shop. This is only a 2-page kit, but I think I have everything you'll ever need for your weekly view in the cousin. So we are gonna do the week of the 4th through the 10th. So I just zoomed you guys a little bit. Hopefully that's not so bad. Again, this is the kit we're using today. It is called Modern Muse. Now I want to show you guys how I have my other week set up. Some of them looks like this. Another week could look like this. I really love the functionality of these pages, and then some I just try character stickers, and then I'm back to being functional. There's this one, but this is really nice. I like doing that, and then sometimes I put a little bit of washi. Not so bad. There's that one. There's this one too. I think I'm gonna do something similar to this. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna probably start with the bottom washi and then just do it on, I think, the lowest I could go, which is the end of the 2 a.m. mark. Not right at 2, but the one right underneath it. Let's see. I think I can go the whole way through. I think that's how I did these kits. I really love the cousin. I think it has everything I'll ever need. The monthly, the weekly views, and daily pages all in one book. And the magical thing, it lays flat. There's no rings here. You know what I mean? Like, it's just one book. So I think that's why I always keep coming back to the cousin. You know what? I'm gonna do some date covers first. So I'm gonna just cover that. I really don't care about the date covers here not being covered. I mean, not the date cover, the little monthly, you know, what month it is and stuff, because I normally put this washi up here. So we're just gonna do this. So last night we went to see Terminator Dark Fate, I think, and that just pretty much erases any other sequel to or any other Terminator movies that came out after the second movie, so T2. But it's really nice. James Cameron came back and all of that stuff. So I normally don't have anything going on in the mornings. Let me reference back to that one. So I put my full boxes starting, that's only 1 p.m. so maybe I'm gonna go down to 2, because I usually leave work around 2, and then the rest of the night I'm just home. So you know what, I'm gonna cover the time block. I'm gonna block it off the hours that I'm at work, so that's from 9 to 2. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then, and then it shows that I will be home around 3. So I'm gonna cover up right underneath 7 o'clock, because I do start driving that early. I want to put this one there. So I tend to switch up my layout a lot when it comes to the cousin, because it is one book. For 2020 I did pick up the Avec because I want to play around with it to see how that goes. when it comes to, because I'm both functional and a sticker user. So let's see how thick my Avec gets next year. I think I put that full box a little too far, but that's fine. I'm not complaining. I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna do the last one over there. A little bit of green. So I think I just evened out the layout. You know, I think it's nice for the eyes. And then this one can go up here, but we're not gonna deal with that right now. I'm wondering if I want to cover that up now. So I'm gonna take the big gigantic full box. And all right, so that's what it looks like. And then we're gonna use one of the little washi, because do I have a work? No, I have a workout. I'm gonna put the washi down here, and we're gonna use one of these habit trackers, and this is how I'm gonna keep track of my work time. And then I have a workout sticker, so I'm gonna cut that and just use the work part. Oh, do you guys have any recommendation when it comes to tweezers? I know there's like, you can just use like regular tweezers for stickers, but if you have something specific that you use personally, let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to know, because some of these stickers are really teeny tiny and my hands are a little chunky for them, so yeah. While I'm at work, which is this part right here, I want to make sure I have enough space for stuff I do at home and shop stuff. You know, lots of writing room here. I do have a separate what is this called, actual shop planner that I currently use. I used to have everything in here, but then that got confusing for me. I really do like using the daily pages for it. Let me show you guys what I used to have. Like, it will look like something like this. I'll have, you know, some little categories for it on how I, you know, kind of divvy up my day, but I just need something that is just like everything is shop. So I try to separate the two. We'll see how that works, but it's been working so well with me since September, so hopefully I can carry that over to 2020. I'm gonna go ahead and do a checklist, I think, over here Monday through Friday. I still really do try and not work on the weekends, but like now, I have to get some orders going out so that I have to deal with them. Do you know what I mean? But always a checklist. For the weekend, I'm gonna do these little skinny labels. Oh, I realized I put 6 long checklists instead of 5. Oops. But anyways, yeah, I couldn't find specific stickers for the cousin when I first originally got it earlier this year, and I was like, you know what, I need some checklists. I really like my full boxes, some washi, so that is why we only have really 2 sheets, because I think that's all you really need. The beauty of the Hobonichi is still coming through. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't want to cover it up too much with stickers, but just a little bit is good. So this is what we have going on so far. I really like, I could really leave it like this, but there are certain things that I want to write in because I know they are coming up. I don't really plan for things, but I know that there are certain things I want to do on specific days, so that's what I usually end up writing in my planner. So so I'm gonna go ahead and do the dates first, because I always do this last and I always forget to do it. 8, 9, I feel like I'm getting the dates wrong. Yeah, no, it is really the 4th on a Monday. So the ticket sales, I think, is opening on the 5th. Oh boy. So we're gonna have to document that. Let's see, 2020. General. So that's going on the 5th, I believe. So we're gonna cover up that part. So on Friday the 8th, I'm also releasing my second collection for CPC. So CPC 2020 releases. I'm gonna do number 2. I released some yesterday. If you are a Erin Condren planner and Hobonichi weeks. Also on Fridays I tend to go to the bank, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go to the bank. I want to make sure that the listings go up Thursday night so that I don't have to do anything Friday morning, because a lot of those stuff is really done, so I want to get them going Thursday. So I'm gonna work on that on Wednesday and Thursday. Listings. All right. Oh no, I smudged that already. This is what happens when you write that way. Tuesday, I know we have $2 Tuesday coming up on the 5th. And then I'm just gonna use one of my payday stickers. I'll put it right there because we just have that handy. I'm trying to look what else I have going on. Ooh, rent due on Friday, so I'm gonna use a bill due sticker. At least I have one. I forgot that was down there with the date covers. So the pen that I've been using is the Tombow Mono drawing pen in 03. I really like using this, but I love the 01 version of it for my Hobonichi weeks because it's very skinny. And then I'm gonna be an overachiever this coming week, and I am gonna try and go to the gym. So I cut up workout, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write gym. We're gonna see how many times I go this coming week, but I really would like to. Also on Tuesday, Louis has an appointment for the kidney transplant doctor, so I think I'm gonna use one of the skinny ones. Sometimes I like to switch up my penmanship. Sometimes I use cursive, sometimes I use like all caps, just like plain, you know, like non-cursive ones. It's weird, but I really do like write like that all the time. And then I have my random, you know, like not chicken scratch but close to it, note-taking style penmanship. Alright, so down here I am gonna do a next week or this week, because I kind of saved this spot over here at the top for this week's stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do next week. Now next week's gonna be a little bit busy because I am closing the shop. So shop is closed. Gonna write that. I will not be shipping anything out. I don't think I'm releasing anything also that week because that is the last week of work, but Louis's surgery is that week with my father-in-law, so I also took the day off just to make sure everything goes well. I think that's it. My last day of work for my day job is on the 15th, so I'm just gonna write that. Alright guys, I think that is it for sort of a pre-planned plan with me. I really like not filling it up everything because I really don't know what's going on next week except for the few that I've written down. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!